Wow, compliment of the season and
Thank you for joining me in this live video. I bring to you good news, like I normally do. Today's update, I'm going to give you a quick one. So the update is going to be on what's it called? The FIFA World Cup that is happening in three different countries. Um, if your dream has always been to travel to Canada, US, and Mexico. I think this is your time. Take advantage of this opportunity I'm going to share, this information I'm going to be sharing to you. I need you to take advantage, listen very carefully because I'll be dropping some serious comments. And you won't get this anywhere. And even if you get it anywhere, you won't get it this detailed. Okay, so sit back, relax, and draw your chair closer because it's going to take some just a while. Okay. What is this process I'm going to be sharing with you? And mind you, also knows that there are some sensitive details or information that you won't be hearing online from here. It's just for you to know the sensitivity of what we're doing. And also, this is just to also tell you that I am not a visa consul. So all the information I'll be giving you is for educational purposes only and for advice. So you can take certain advice or the advice will stand. So I don't need you to confuse or get it twisted. Okay, let's go into the information and business of the day proper. What is this summit all about? It's no news that the World Cup is going to be holding in 2026, that was next year. Do you know that it is important for you to actually do your application on time when you want to apply for a visa for any country? You should, the consular or the embassy will always advise that you at least 2 to 3 months before your planned travel. Okay, so if you plan to visit a family member in Canada or US in December this year, 2025, it's advisable that 3 months before that time you should have submitted your application so that it gives them time for check if they want to do check on your documents, background information, everything about that applicant. So it gives them more time to do that. I know most people in Nigeria, I not everybody. That I said most people they like this last minute fire brigade approach. Uh, when it's like 2 months to what they want to do, that's when they will start putting pressure on whoever is going to be applying for them. And that's not the best way to go about anything in your community. So this video, I will advise you after you have seen this video, please share it because it might be helping somebody in need. And like our page, follow us to see more of our content. And if you still need more clarification after this video has been done, why don't you feel free to reach out to me, DM me, send me a DM, and I will respond ASAP. I was online 24 hours. Okay. Enough of the talk. Let's go into. I said let's go into this over like this. We turn down. I'm saying let's go into it. So like I say now. What do you want to say? Say. Um, for do you know that most people have actually used this process I'm about to share for you now? I'm going to share with you. They've used that to just hand like that. They won't their hand to their country. You won't. So you when I begin to do this, give you these signs that they will not. So it's just for the sensitivity of the video. So you don't get it twisted. If you understand what I'm saying, you know what I meant by they will not. Mm-hmm. So take it like that. Those that don't understand, chat me up and I will give you what I mean by this sign and this signal that I'm giving. Okay, so they've actually gone through this route and it's worked for them. It can work for you also. Because the World Cup is holding starting 2026, June to July. So the World Cup is actually starting June 11th to July 19th. You check it, it's almost a month, more than, I'm not mistaken, for the World Cup to start. And for the first time in the history of the World Cup, it's going to be holding in three different countries all at the same time. Three different countries. So that's why I say if you ever wanted to travel to Canada, you want to go to Mexico, you ever wanted to go to the US, this is your opportunity. After then, I will now tell you what I think you should do. So for Canada, some matches will be played in Toronto and Vancouver. So for Canada, the matches will be playing. Some matches will be played in Toronto and Vancouver. While in Mexico, we have the Guadalajara. Sorry if I don't pronounce it very well. We have the Mexico City, and we have the Montreal. These are the places that in Mexico the matches will be held. While in the US has the larger parts where the matches will be played. We have the Atlanta, we have the Boston, we have the Kansas City, we have Los Angeles, we have Dallas, we have Houston, we have Miami, we have New York, we have Philadelphia, we have Seattle, and San Francisco Bay. These are the places that the matches will be holding in the US. So somebody will not say, how is it possible for this World Cup to be held in these three countries at the same time? You see, if it's not going to be played at the same day, so some matches you will go and see it in Canada, some matches you will go to Mexico to go and see that match, while some matches you go to US. Is this not enough? Is this not an opportunity for this country? And you also know that because of this, the application for these countries is now automatically like open. Yes, you heard me right. Automatically like open. Because of the following reason. Not limited to this following reason. One, there are going to be football fans that want to come out and see these matches in these countries that are Mexico, US, and Canada. People want to go and see these matches over there. Are you going to tell them that after they bought their tickets, they cannot come and see that match? Those that have ears, let them hear what the voice of the Lord is saying. So, that I said, if you ever wanted to go to these places, this is your opportunity. This is the key. So, what do you need to go to these countries to see this match? All you need to do. The first most important thing is to get your match ticket. Get your match ticket. There are different people that sell match tickets. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't because of this video go online and go and search any random site and say you want to buy a match ticket and you are duped. Because the other boys out there, they are taking advantage of this same season also. That want to go and see. Our advice is to always go to FIFA official page. Register, you see the link to get your official ticket. If you can secure your ticket right now, I think I still saw the ticket that was early. So I will now advise you that in any of the countries you want to go for, it's better you buy your ticket now. When I mean now, as you are seeing this video, once you stop seeing this video, go and purchase your ticket now. There are different things that you can do with your tickets. If, for example, you buy your tickets and you cannot for any reason, do you know you can resell your tickets? Your money is not gone. So you can resell your tickets and get back your money. People on that day actually will be looking for tickets to buy. So if you maybe you bought your ticket for maybe $1,000 US. On that day, maybe the match that we bought it the match you are playing on that day and people want to really see that match, and you decide to say, I want to sell the ticket for $5,000 US. You see, you are getting $4,000 US. So it's another business. If you look at it in another way, it's another business for some person. Do you understand? Like I said, it's a educational purpose only. So get your ticket. If you get your ticket, it means that you have one leg into the country that you want to go to. Okay. So the next thing is going to do, so because for any of these countries, the type of visa you're going to be applying for, except you have a UK passport that allows you to travel to any country, or you have a US passport, or you have an Australian passport, whichever country will allow you to enter the country without any of without requiring a visa. So if you don't hold that kind of the following passports that I just said, it means you are applying for a visitor's visa. Visitor's visa are mostly 180 days for Mexico or less, or depending on the consulate, the country to give you any, once your visa is approved, the country to give you any of the dates for your visa approval. Whichever the team, it's okay for them. If it's Mexico you are looking out for, go to the Mexican website and fill out the form, see the procedures for a visitor's visa. I think Mexico visa, they said generally it takes between 3 to 10 days for approval. After submission, once you submitted your application, it's 10 days your visa approval. If there's no delay in your document verification and the likes. Why for US? We all know how long it will take for a US D1, B2 visa to be approved. Okay, then for Canada, you also know the time it takes for visas to be approved in Canada as well. So, what do I really want you to gain from this video, from this information that I just shared? I need you to take on the following points. After you see this video, share it to your page, wherever you are affiliated with, share it. This information will help someone. If you choose Canada as your destination that you want to do. Now, out of the 3 countries that I just mentioned, Mexico, US, and Canada, if you choose Canada, I think you have a better chance of not, if you know what I mean, once your visa is approved, you have a better chance of that you will not again. So it's your best island, it's your best option. Take this to the market, it's your best option. So I would advise you to do your application because you all know what's happening in the US right now. Push your application. Probably you're just going there for fun. Just go and relax, see the match and come back. Of course, you definitely come back. Mexico also. If you choose one I just mentioned, and I told you what it is. For the sensitivity of the videos, I'm not going to mention it also good. So, but if you want to know what I meant by all those signals and signs I'm giving you, chat me up and I will furnish you those information. So I'll advise you to go through that route. And that's your dream that you are dreaming for a long time. It's about to happen in 2026. So what would you now need? Like I said, if you any of these 3 countries, you are going to be applying for a visitor's visa or a tourist visa. The invitation you need to apply, when you are going for a tourist or a visit visa, you need somebody is inviting you to come to that country or something is bringing you to that country. Now, the FIFA World Cup is what is bringing you to Canada. So once it's a pair of tickets, trust me, I just saw tickets of there's tickets as we speak now of $600 US. That's $600 US that I saw. I believe by next month, you might not get a ticket of $600 US again. Even next week, you might not get again. Okay, so the more the time draws nearer, the tickets are being sold. Once tickets are sold for all markets, run. There's something you can do again. Don't do fire brigade approach. Once you secure your tickets, your super tickets, I can assure you that have gotten everything you need to travel. So the only thing that they'll be looking out for is, okay, do you have your in your account, do you have enough money to stay in this period of this short period of time that you're going to stay in whichever country that you apply to? What is it that you're needing? So if you have small money, I will not mention this money online now. Chat me up, I'll give you those information. So what you need to show as additional documents to add to your application is your flights. So I'll get your flights home. And trust me, booking your flight home, so I can tell you how to do that, but not on this video without you in your hand, if you know what I mean. Okay. Also, you will book your hotel where you're going to be staying without you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, chat me up after the video, I'll tell you what I mean. So what are the three things you need to do for a visitor visa and tour visa? It means that someone is inviting you, you have a place you are going to be staying, and you have the means to go, which is flights, go and come back. So if you can solve these three, then just need to have a little money in account and will present your application. Trust me, you have a 99% of your visa being approved. And if you do that on time now, don't join the bandwagon of people that actually apply for visas 4 months, 6 months, 2 months to the process. For Canada, it takes time for visa to be approved. Mostly visiting visa, conference visa, the likes. So I would advise you take advantage of that particular country. And if it's Canada you want to be, start your application like immediately because of their processing time. And then once some sites are paid, that's your dream of going to Canada and not surrender your success. You need more information, like I said. I will not want to drag this video for too long. You need more information. After you have seen this video, please kindly share. Follow the company, thatsite.ng. Follow us on social media, mostly Facebook, where you'll be seeing all the photos. I'll be reaching out. The information I just gave to you can use it to apply and do your application yourself without paying agents like me or any other one. You can do it for free yourself. But if you want us to, you need a professional to have a professional look on those your applications. Why not contact us, give your necessary information on what we try, and then your dream will become a reality. I hope to see you in my next video where I'll be able to give you 3 tips and information that will benefit you with travel journey. Thank you. And have a